Hey, girls. Low windy today, but day 49 of 50. Been looking up here, we're gonna Preg check these cows. Watch on, baby. Time to get these girls up in the corral. They know the drill. Let's see if we can get them. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, 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 hi. Cattle are caught, horses are tied up. We got to go get the trucks from the pasture now. My dad's the one sorting up all the cattle. There's a few that we're not running through yet, and so I'm running the chute, and my uncle is Preg checking. Right now he's Preg checking this cow to see if she's pregnant. It turned out she was. All the pregnant cows are getting Dectomax. It's a pour-on. It's getting rid of their flies and their worms inside of their bellies, and they're getting 3 shots. They're getting a Guardian, which helps with scours in their calf when they calve in February, and they're getting a 7-way and a 5-way, and the 7-way is with spur or blackleg. It is so dang windy. I'm just gonna play a little background music so you guys can watch from this angle. over here. Wheel it over here. So like I said before, there's a couple cows and calves that we're leaving up in this front pasture. So we need to sort off the couple cows that are gonna go to the 50-acre pasture and get them through the chute so that we can get them sent out and get the gate closed before we get these other cows and calves into the quail corral. Hi. Got old Scarlet in the chute. See if she's bred. All right, y'all. I hope that was a good video of us working the cows. Kind of some key takeaways from it. Sorry, we just went and ate lunch. So what we ended up doing was there's 15 cows in there that were bred, that we're keeping as spring cows. We turned them out into our 50-acre pasture, and then there's also 6 cows and 4 calves in the corral, basically the 3-acre bottle calf pasture that we have. We're leaving them here for a week in this little pasture, and we'll feed them a little bit of hay or something. But there's 4 cows we're getting rid of. We're getting rid of all the calves. I should start with that, and then we're gonna get rid of 4 cows as well. The 1 cow that prolapsed last year, we'll get rid of her. The 1 cow that she ended up being open, but she had to raise a really bad calf last year. We're selling her, and then we're selling the 2 Hereford cows that I bought to flip. Sorry, there's a fly on my camera. Anyways, that's the plan as of right now, is to sell 4 cows, 4 calves, kind of clean up our lower end cows, and then we should be off to the races. One of the saddest things of the afternoon, Scarlet, my home raised heifer, she was the only one that was open, which she should have been with the bull for 4 or 5 cycles. So there must have been something going on there. But so yeah, Scarlet was open, which is sad. So kind of my plan is next Friday when we take them to the sale barn, we'll split off the 4 cows and 4 calves, take them, and I'll haul Scarlet to the fall cows. I'm gonna try to get her bred back this fall, just because she's one of my first ever cows. It'd be wrong to sell her. If she doesn't get bred again, then I have to get rid of her, but I gotta give her the benefit of the doubt, just because she got me the passion for this lifestyle. And then that Hereford that we kept from 2 years ago, we'll kick her back into the spring herd. So we'll have 16 springers, start calving February 7th. And with Scarlet and the fall cows, there'll be 34 over there. So still have 50 cows, but we're split up a little bit different. So what I'm doing now is just getting this water on for these cows we're keeping up here in this 3 acres. I'm gonna go get the chickens some food real quick. We gotta move the tank from the yearling pasture, move it up to where them 16 springers are at, and then we should be good for the day. So the plan is to get this water out of here, take this tank up there to them cows, if you can see them in the distance. Let's get it bucketed out. She's drained, let's pull her to the other pasture. All right, y'all, we got water filling in there. All these springers now, I'm not gonna let them drink yet, for the simple fact, they're gonna push this tank into my hydrant. I don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna let it fill up probably halfway so they're not fighting each other for it. Make sure I turn on the hot wire so they hold back a little bit, let's just say that. All right, y'all, so I hope you guys liked today's video, little cattle drive, Preg checking cows. Like I said, these 15 in here will be our new spring herd. And we have, like I said, 6 cows up front and 4 calves. We're gonna get rid of 4 of the cows and 4 of the calves next Friday. And Scarlett's gonna be a fall cow because she became open, and the Hereford I'll kick back out with these. So at the end of the day, there'll be 34 cows over there and 16 right here. These girls will be on Milo stocks all winter, right over there. And so it should work out good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end it here because we're going to some friends' houses. It's Saturday this afternoon. We'll try to get this posted for you guys before we leave. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. Catch you in the next one. Peace.